And welcome to the 411 on making money online. Today in this video we are going to learn some fascinating business related facts that will not only pique your interest but also equip you with valuable insights to succeed in the digital world. Number 1. Apple's first computer. The Apple I was hand-built by Steve Wozniak, and its circuit board design was created using a homebrew method. The first Apple computer, the Apple I or Apple I, was priced at $660.66 when it was released in 1976. Only about 200 Apple I computers were produced, making them highly sought after by collectors. Number 2. Google was originally called Backrub. Google's initial prototype was named Backrub because it analyzed the web's backlinks. Google was founded by Larry Page and Sergey Brin while they were PhD students at Stanford University. The name Google is a play on the mathematical term Google, which represents a very large number, 1 followed by 100 zeros. Number 3. The world's largest employer is Walmart. Walmart is the largest private employer with over 2.3 million employees. Walmart's annual revenue is higher than the GDP of many countries, making it a significant economic force. The company's success has led to coining the term Walmart effect, which describes its impact on local businesses. Number 4. The origin of the fortune cookie. Fortune cookies, often associated with Chinese cuisine, were invented in San Francisco. Fortune cookies were first introduced to the United States by Japanese immigrants, not Chinese. These cookies became popular in Chinese restaurants as a novelty in the early 20th century. Number 5. Amazon started as an online bookstore. Amazon, now an e-commerce giant, began as an online bookstore in 1994. Jeff Bezos initially ran Amazon from his garage, packing orders and delivering them himself. Amazon's first book was sold, Fluid Concepts and Creative Analogies by Douglas Hofstadter. Number 6. The invention of the Post-it notes. Post-it notes were invented by accident when a 3M scientist was trying to create a super strong adhesive. The scientist who accidentally created Post-it notes, Spencer Silver, was attempting to develop super strong adhesive for aerospace applications. Post-it notes were introduced to the market in 1980 and quickly gained popularity. Number 7. The world's oldest brewery. The Weihenstephan Brewery in Germany, founded in 1040, is recognized as the world's oldest brewery. Weihenstephan Brewery specializes in brewing traditional German-style beers, such as wheat beer and lagers. The brewery is part of the Technical University of Munich, which students can study brewing technology. Number 8. The most expensive domain name. CarInsurance.com holds the record for the most expensive domain name ever sold at $49.7 million. The sale of domain names at such high prices is known as domain flipping and has become a lucrative business for some entrepreneurs. Other valuable domain names have also sold for substantial amounts, like LasVegas.com and Business.com. Number 9. Coca-Cola's secret formula. Coca-Cola's famous formula is stored in a vault at the World of Coca-Cola Museum in Atlanta. The formula for Coca-Cola is said to be known by only a few individuals, and they are not allowed to travel on the same plane to protect the secret. Coca-Cola has a history of creating unique marketing campaigns, including the iconic Christmas advertising featuring Santa Claus. Number 10. The shortest ticker symbol. The New York Stock Exchange shortest ticker symbol is just one letter, T, for AT&T. Ticker symbols are also used to identify publicly traded companies on stock exchanges and can be a combination of letters AT and T, with its single letter ticker symbol T has a long history dating back to the Bell Telephone Company. Number 11. The origin of PayPal's name. PayPal's original name was Confinity, a portmanteau of confidence and infinity. PayPal was formed by Max Levchin, Peter Thiel, and Luke Nosek, and initially focused on secure online payments. The company was acquired by eBay in 2002, expanding its reach in e-commerce. Number 12, the most expensive Super Bowl ad. The most expensive Super Bowl ad ever aired cost $11.4 million for a 60-second spot. Super Bowl ads have become famous for their creativity and often feature celebrity endorsements. Advertisers pay top dollars for Super Bowl slots because of the massive viewership. Number 13, the first YouTube video. The first YouTube video uploaded to YouTube was titled Me at the Zoo and featured co-founder Jawan Karim. YouTube was created by former PayPal employees Chad Hurley and Steve Chen and Jod Karim. The first video, Me at the Zoo, was uploaded on April 23, 2005 and has become a piece of history. Number 14, the value of the first tweet. The first tweet ever posted by Jack Dorsey, Twitter's co-founder, was sold as an NFT for $2.9 million. The sale of tweets as now fungible tokens, NFTs, has gained popularity in the digital collectibles market. Jack Dorsey, the co-founder of Twitter, donated the proceeds from the sale of his first tweet to charity. Number 15, the world's smallest McDonald's. This tiny McDonald's called McHive was built in a beehive to promote beekeeping and sustainability. It serves as a creative way to support the bee population, which plays a vital role in pollinating crops. Number 16, the most expensive hot dog. There is a functioning McDonald's in Sweden that is so tiny it can only serve one customer at a time. The extravagant toppings of the world's most expensive hot dog include white truffles and a champagne-infused sauerkraut. Such luxury hot dogs are often created as a marketing stunt or as a statement of extravagance. Number 17, the origin of Bluetooth's name. Bluetooth technology is named for the 10th century Danish king, King Harald. Bluetooth Wormson. The Bluetooth logo combines the initials of King Harald Bluetooth in Nordic runes. Bluetooth technology was developed as a wireless alternative to RS-232 data cables. Number 18, the Guinness World of Record for the longest meeting. The longest business meeting on record lasted 60 hours and took place in Singapore. Prolonged meetings can lead to decreased productivity and are often subject to time management techniques. Marathon meetings sometimes aim to break records and raise awareness for specific causes. Number 19, the first product sold by eBay. The first item sold on eBay was a broken laser printer which sold for $14.83 in 1995. eBay, founded by Pierre Omidyar, was evolved from an online auction platform to a major e-commerce marketplace. The platform has allowed people to buy and sell a wide range of goods, both new and used. Number 20, the oldest operating hotel. Nishiyama Onsen Kakun in Japan is the world's oldest operating hotel, founded in 705 AD. Nishiyama Onsen Kakun has been operated by the same family for over 50 generations. The hotel's hot springs are sourced from nearby volcanic activity and are renowned for therapeutic properties. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's lighthearted video. If so, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell for more valuable content, and share this video with those who may be interested. Until next time, thanks for watching.